240 volt 3-phase. There's your chip conveyor, chip auger. It's indexing now. We're just doing little short pieces just to show the viewer the cycling of it. And we could have had it sped up more, but we're running it dry because there currently is no coolant in it because it's on our floor. And you can change how high the machine returns and how fast the approach speed and all that, but we're just giving you a general idea. 5-foot conveyor, 26 inches between two blades, a manual, and some other stuff. You got some feet there, but whatever we got with it, well, you will get as well. Late model. There's your coolant. There is a washdown hose as well. There it's feeding. Here, let's stop the video and show them what it's been cutting. Yeah. That's what we've been cutting. Just little pieces. Wanted to just show you that it was indexing. Anyways, specs will be in the quote. And here, let me get you. There you go. 2019. There's your control panel. Thanks for watching.